Ngabagamba in 1814, the French Emperor Napoleon Bonaparte was exiled to the island of Elba, off the coast of Italy. Fearing an attempt to rescue him, his British captors would shoot anyone who came ashore. Tuli kwanjula. Ngabagamba no matter how innocent or desperate they were. Nti, Napoleon Bonaparte, mu 1814, Abangereza bamugalya kazinga ke Alba. Wabula olw'okutya ababalinga bamwagala okujja okutaasa obulamu bwe oba okumununula. Abangereza bateekawo etteeka nti baakubanga oba balinanga okutta oba okuba ebyasa by'omuntu yenna ajja kazinga kano. Yadde nga talina musango oba ali bubi mu ngeri ki. Bagambye nti Guy Pearce emabega, Richard Harris bonna bali muno, James Frame. Waliwo akaata akajja. Kwaliko abantu abaliko nga bagamba Dagmara Domis.
May 1926, a few years after the revolution, the curious relationship between the Mexican government and the Catholic Church deteriorates as President Portacaria's case begins strictly enforcing the anti-clerical laws written into the Mexican Constitution of 1917. In response to these measures, civil organizations protest new laws by peaceful means. The League for Religious Liberty is prominent amongst these organizations, taking up arms throughout the country. Brave men and women called the Cristeros also join the fight for freedom. This is their story. Gasi yabogola. Mama yadukashika ne mutabani we. Abantu abasinga bawedde mama. Kyokkabuze kadisesi kati nyamalirize. Mazima n'abalatu banna bakuja. Wabula agasituka. Musajja wattu bambi tayina. Bona basike okubala ebbanga. Nedi kyavaayi wakakawa. Gasi n'awulira. Ate abantu bakimanyako mbu atambulira.
My friend. Ninja kutera mawe. Ninja kutera hai. Ninja kuragaro. Ninja kukutera. Ninja kubandura. Ninja kutambura. Ninja kuragaro. Ninja kurago mutima. Ninja kurago moyo. Ninja kukutera. Ufanya nani? Gundigwe. My friend. Nkubideki. Kakari waliwo omuntu abatayina mnayenga yakoze pause. Ogamba nzise. Labandi mulodi. Ayinamu. Namanya omwami nawe katayina. Ninja kutera. Ninja kuragaro. Ninja kurago omwoyo. Ojja kukitegea.